Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we explore innovative ways to secure your financial future. Today we are thrilled to present the top passive income strategies for 2024. These methods have the potential to generate steady revenue streams with minimal efforts, allowing you to achieve financial freedom and focus on what truly matters. Stay with us as we uncover these lucrative opportunities and guide you towards a more prosperous and stress-free financial life. Let's get started. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks represent shares in companies that regularly distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders as dividends. These companies are typically well established and financially sound, often within sectors like utilities, consumer goods, and finance. Investing in dividend stocks can provide a steady income stream, which is particularly attractive during market downturns when capital gains may be harder to achieve. Investors can choose to reinvest through a dividend reinvestment plan, which allows for the purchase of additional shares using the dividend payouts, thereby compounding their returns over time. Careful selection of dividend stocks, focusing on companies with a history of increasing dividends, can enhance the reliability of this income stream. Real estate crowdfunding. The real estate crowdfunding platforms pool funds from numerous investors to financial real estate projects, allowing individuals to invest in properties with a smaller amount of capital compared to direct real estate investments. These platforms often provide opportunities to invest in both residential and commercial properties. Investors can earn returns from rental income and the appreciation of property values. Real estate crowdfunding offers diversification across multiple properties and geographic locations, reducing the risk associated with individual real estate investments. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul are popular options. It's important to thoroughly vet the platform and the specific projects to understand the associated risks and potential returns. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties involves purchasing real estate to rent out to tenants. This can generate a steady income stream from rental payments, along with potential appreciation in property value over time. Key considerations include location, property condition, and market demand. Effective property management is crucial, whether done personally or through a property management company. Initial costs include the down payment, closing costs, and the potential renovation expenses. Ongoing expenses cover maintenance, property taxes, and insurance. Despite the responsibilities, rental properties can offer significant returns, especially if property values appreciate and rental demands remain strong. Bonds. Bonds are debt securities issued by governments, municipalities, or corporations to raise capital. When you buy a bond, you lend money to the issuer in exchange for a periodic interest payment and the return of the principal amount of maturity. Government bonds, such as US Treasury bonds, are considered very safe, while corporate bonds carry higher risk and potentially higher returns. Bonds are rated by agencies like Moody's and Standard & Poor's, providing insight into the credit quality. They are a key component of diversified investment portfolio, offering stability and predictable income. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral link. This can be done through a blog, website, social media, or email marketing. To succeed, choose products relevant to your audience and create high-quality content that drives traffic to your affiliate links. Joining affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates or affiliate networks like Commission Junction can provide a variety of products to promote. Effective SEO, content marketing, and audience engagement are crucial for maximizing earnings in affiliate marketing. Print on demand. Print on demand allows you to create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. When a customer orders a product with your design, the print on demand service prints, packs, and ships the item. You earn a royalty on each sale without handling inventory. Platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, and Merged by Amazon make it easy to set up a shop and start selling. Success in print on demand requires unique, appealing designs and effective marketing strategies. Social media promotion and leveraging niche market can enhance sales and profitability. Digital products. Creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, softwares, or digital art allows you to earn passive income by selling the same product repeatedly. Once the product is created, distribution and sales can be automated through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing for ebooks, Udemy for online courses, or Etsy for digital art. The initial effort involves creating high quality, valuable content that meets the needs of your target audience. Effective marketing and leveraging multiple distribution channels can significantly increase sales and revenue. Content creation. Content creation involves producing engaging content for blogs, YouTube channels, or podcasts. Once you build a substantial audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. Platforms like Google AdSense and the YouTube Partner Program provide mechanism to earn from ads, while Patreon can help monetize loyal followers through subscriptions. Consistency, quality content, and audience engagement are key to building a successful content creation venture. Understanding your audience and leveraging SEO and social media can drive traffic and increase earnings. Automated dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, it is automatically forwarded to a supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. Your profit markup you add to the wholesale price. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo simplify the process of setting up and managing a dropshipping store. Successful dropshipping requires selecting trending or niche products, effective marketing, and providing excellent customer service. Automated systems and tools can streamline operations and enhance profitability. Mobile app development. Developing and publishing mobile apps can be a highly lucrative source of passive income. Once your app is published on app stores like Google Play or the Apple Store, you can earn money from in-app purchases, ads, or subscriptions. The initial effort involves designing, coding, and testing the app. Successful apps often address a specific need or offer unique features. Marketing your app effectively is crucial to gaining users and generating revenue. Continuous updates and improvements can enhance user experience and maintain steady income. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discovering the best passive income strategies for 2024. We hope you found these insights valuable and inspiring. Remember, building a passive income stream takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, here's to your financial success and freedom. Thanks.